In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to put emoji next to username in Slack. Spice up your Slack profile with emoji. 5 minutes. Start by signing into Slack on the desktop app or in your browser. Once you're in your workspace, open your profile by clicking your avatar near the top of the sidebar. From the panel that appears, choose Update Your Status. This is the quickest way to place a small emoji right next to your name across channels and direct messages. Pick any standard emoji from the menu, or if your team allows it, choose the option to add a custom one. Select something that communicates your availability or mood at a glance, like a laptop for focused work, a headset for calls, or a coffee cup for a short break. If you want, add a few words of status text for extra context, then hit save to apply it. Tip: many workspaces let you set how long a status stays active so you won't forget to clear it later. If you prefer the emoji to appear inside your actual display name, open your avatar again and go to Profile. In the Profile drawer, click Edit. Find the display name field. Type your name and insert a standard emoji right in that field using your device's emoji picker or by pasting an emoji you've copied. Keep it short so it fits nicely in channels and threads. This makes the emoji part of your visible name, not just your status, and it will show wherever your display name appears. When you're happy with how it looks, select Save Changes to update your profile. Want something truly unique? Add it to your workspace's emoji library. Open your workspace menu at the top of Slack to access the customization area for emoji. On that page, choose the option to add an emoji, upload a square image or GIF, give it a clear short name, and save. After saving, your new emoji will be available to everyone in the workspace for statuses and messages. For best results, use a small square image. 128 by 128 pixels is a reliable baseline with a transparent background. Note that uploading custom emoji may require permission from a workspace admin. A few quick tips before we wrap up. One clear emoji is usually enough. Too many can make names hard to scan. Standard Unicode emoji are the most reliable for display names because they render consistently across devices. If your organization has naming guidelines, make sure adding an emoji is allowed. And if you ever want to revert, simply clear your status or remove the emoji from your display name and save. That's it. Your Slack profile now has an emoji-powered boost that's fun, readable, and professional.